The BlenderBottle Sport Mixer Shaker Bottle is a remarkable product that offers a convenient and efficient solution for mixing your favorite beverages. As an experienced product marketing expert, I have had the opportunity to test and evaluate various shaker bottles, and I must say, this product stands out from the competition. One of the key features of the BlenderBottle Sport Mixer is its high-quality construction. Made from durable stainless steel and Triton, this bottle ensures longevity and resistance to wear and tear. The use of these materials also guarantees the safety of your beverages, as they are free from harmful chemicals such as BPA. With its shaker bottle design, the BlenderBottle Sport Mixer allows you to effortlessly mix your protein shakes, smoothies, and other drinks. The bottle features a patented mixing system that utilizes a blender ball wire whisk to efficiently blend the ingredients. I found this mechanism to be highly effective, ensuring a smooth and consistent.
The BlenderBottle Classic Shaker Bottle is a versatile and reliable product that caters to the needs of everyone. With over 10 years of experience in the field of product marketing, I can confidently say that this shaker bottle is a game changer. One of the standout features of the BlenderBottle Classic Shaker Bottle is its high-quality construction. Made from durable plastic, this bottle is built to last. It can withstand regular use without showing any signs of wear and tear. Moreover, the plastic material used is BPA-free, ensuring a safe and healthy experience for users. The shaker bottle design is well thought out. It comes with a secure screw-on lid that prevents any leaks or spills, even when you are on the move. The lid also features a flip cap that allows for easy drinking without the need to remove the entire lid. The BlenderBottle Classic Shaker Bottle is designed specifically for blending protein shakes, smoothies, and other supplements. The BlenderBottle Radiant Shaker Cup Insulated Stainless Steel Water Bottle is a premium quality product that offers excellent durability and functionality. With over 10 years of experience in product marketing and writing, I can confidently say that this product deserves your attention. The first notable feature of the BlenderBottle Radiant is its high-quality construction. Made from stainless steel, this water bottle offers superior insulation properties, keeping your beverages cold for up to 24 hours. This makes it particularly convenient for individuals who are constantly on the go or need their drinks to stay chilled throughout the day. Additionally, the double wall design ensures that there are no condensation issues, preventing any unwanted wetness on the exterior surface. This feature is especially useful when using the bottle in professional settings or when carrying the bottle in bags or purses. One of the standout aspects of this product is its leak-proof design.
Brand, BlenderBottle. Material, plastic bottle. Type, shaker bottle. Color, black. Capacity, 1.8 pounds. The BlenderBottle Classic Shaker Bottle is a top-notch product that caters to the needs of every individual, making it an indispensable tool in the modern kitchen. With its sturdy build, innovative design, and efficient functionality, this shaker bottle stands out from its competitors. One of the standout features of the BlenderBottle Classic Shaker Bottle is its high-quality plastic material. The use of durable plastic ensures that the bottle withstands frequent use, maintaining its integrity for an extended period. It not only guarantees longevity, but also ensures that no harmful chemicals are released into the contents of the bottle. The shaker bottle's design incorporates a unique shaker ball, which plays a significant role in achieving the desired consistency of drinks. This ball helps in effectively blending protein shakes, smoothies, and supplements to perfection. Its presence.
The Helimix 2.0 Vortex Blender Shaker Bottle is an exceptional product that caters to a wide range of individuals. Manufactured by the reputable brand Helimix, this shaker bottle is crafted from durable plastic and is available in an elegant black color. One of the key highlights of the Helimix 2.0 Vortex Blender Shaker Bottle is its generous capacity of 28 fluid ounces. This sizable volume ensures that users have ample space to mix and blend their favorite beverages, whether it be protein shakes, smoothies, or pre-workout supplements. A notable feature of this product is its top-rack dishwasher-safe design. This allows for convenient and effortless cleaning, saving valuable time and effort for the users. Moreover, the absence of a mixer ball or screen simplifies the cleaning process even further. Users can enjoy hassle-free maintenance without the need to disassemble or clean additional parts. The Hellimix 2.0 Vortex Blender Shaker Bottle stands out in terms of functionality.
BlenderBottle Classic V2 Shaker Bottle is a product that offers great functionality and convenience for individuals seeking a reliable shaker bottle for their fitness and dietary needs. With over 10 years of experience in the product marketing industry, I have come across numerous shaker bottles, and the BlenderBottle Classic V2 stands out as a superior option. One of the key features of the BlenderBottle Classic V2 is its durable plastic material. The high-quality plastic ensures that the bottle will withstand rigorous shaking and mixing without the risk of cracking or leaking. This is particularly important for fitness enthusiasts who often use protein powders or other powdered supplements that require thorough mixing. The shaker bottle is aptly named as it effectively combines and blends ingredients. The built-in shaker ball helps break up clumps and mix the contents smoothly, resulting in a well-mixed and consistent drink. This is a significant advantage over traditional bottles.
The BlenderBottle Classic V2 Shaker Bottle is a remarkable product that offers convenience and functionality to users in their daily activities. With over 10 years of experience in product marketing, I can confidently say that this shaker bottle stands out in terms of its design, features, and overall quality. One notable aspect of the BlenderBottle Classic V2 is its brand reputation. BlenderBottle has established itself as a trusted name in the industry, known for manufacturing high-quality products. This brand reliability adds credibility to the Classic V2 shaker bottle and assures users of its durability and performance. The choice of material, plastic, is another key feature of this shaker bottle. Plastic offers several advantages, such as being lightweight, durable, and easy to clean. The BlenderBottle Classic V2 is made from high-quality plastic, ensuring that it can withstand regular use without compromising its structural integrity. The tan color option is not only
BlenderBottle Classic V2 Shaker Bottle is a remarkable product that meets the needs of everyone, whether you are a fitness enthusiast, a health-conscious individual, or someone who simply enjoys making protein shakes or smoothies. With over a decade of experience as a product marketing expert, I can confidently say that this shaker bottle deserves recognition for its exceptional features and quality. The BlenderBottle Classic Vive 2 shaker bottle, manufactured by the renowned brand BlenderBottle, is constructed using high-quality plastic material. This ensures durability and longevity, making it a reliable companion for your daily routines. Its shaker bottle design allows for easy and efficient mixing of ingredients, resulting in smooth and lump-free beverages. The clear, black color combination gives the BlenderBottle Classic V2 a sleek and professional appearance. Whether you carry it to the gym, office, or outdoor activities, its modern design will surely impress others.
Product information. Brand BlenderBottle material. Plastic bottle type wide neck. Color. Light pink capacity. 1.8 pound special feature dishwasher, safe, wide mouth age range, description. Any age group product, dimensions, 3.81 W into 8.94. H product care instructions, hand wash, only model, name classic, V2 shaker bottle recommended. Uses for product protein, shake smoothies, workouts, number of items 1, theme shaker. Reusability, reusable, shape round fineness. About this item, 28-ounce capacity. Note measurement markings only go to 22 ounces. Patented mixing system uses 316 surgical-grade stainless steel blender ball wire whisk, found only in BlenderBottle brand shaker cups. Wide mouth makes it easy to add mixed scoops and liquids and embossed markings. Measure both ounces and milliliters rounded base for thorough mixing. Screw-on lid creates leak-proof seal, and secure flip cap with spout guard keeps the mouthpiece clean. Wide loop top for easy carrying or attaching keys. Dishwasher safe, BPA and phthalate.
If you like the video, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.